Hi first class, this is your Better English tutorial for Wednesday the 10th of February. So you did really well with the 3 pages the last time, and I thought if we can just make another little push and do 3 more pages, then we will actually be finished all of the Christmas ones, and we'll be able to kind of move on to the non-Christmas questions. And so we'll try and get that done this week. If you don't get it done this week, you have got until next Monday or even after that. It's up to you guys how much you want to get done and how fast you want to get it done. I know that you're well able for it, so we'll plow on ahead and see how we get on. But if it's just a little bit too much with all the extra work that we're doing, I know that we're doing skills book now as well. Just take a break from it, come back to it again, and do it another time. So it really doesn't matter to me. I won't mind. So let's take a look then at Unit 9, sounds. Okay, so Part A, say the word, write the sound. Okay, so we have oot words and ent words. You know how this goes. If it's got oot in it, you write it down over here. Try to read the word out loud and then write it in before you write it in. So sh, oot, shoot, and write it in over here. Then put an X through it. Okay. I won't go through all of those because I know that all you need to do is read those and write them in. Name and colour and use the words from activity A to help you. So let's take a look at this one here. Foot, foot. So actually I should have said oot and also ut words. Okay, so boot is an oot word. Foot is also an OOT word, but it's not oot, it's ut. Okay, and then shoot as well as an oot word. Down here, the boy is taking taking a kick, and we know that it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces. So we know that that one also is shoot. Okay, he's not shooting a gun. Shoot can mean a number of things. A shoot is on a plant. A flower has a shoot that goes up out of the ground. But what he is doing is kicking the ball into the goals, and that is shooting. Shoot. So best of luck with that. You need to put in the words from up here into each spot there. Okay. Don't worry about part C because I'm not giving you more spellings for the rest of the week. You have your spellings this week. I think I gave you a list of 15, but you don't have to do all 15. Do whatever you feel comfortable with this Friday, okay? Do 10 at least, though, okay? So do 10. If you can do 10 and then the two, I think they were, was it Tuesday and Wednesday, or was it Wednesday and Thursday? I think it was Tuesday and Wednesday. I'm not sure. I can't remember. But you can add in those two. If you feel like doing all 15, you can do all 15 as well. So anyway, on to page 31. The story it's a comprehension, okay? So remember, comprehension is the word for understanding. So really a comprehension is where you read something and you try to make sure that you understand it by answering questions. So Santa's best friend. Santa is very happy. Today he had 6 important jobs. Number 1, check the bags are full. Tick. Check the torch is working. Tick. Check on Dancer, the reindeer. He hurt his foot. Tick. Polish Rudolph's nose. No, he didn't do that. X. Have a bath. X. He didn't do that yet. Go to bed early. Number 6. X. He hasn't got that done yet. So let's read the comprehension. Tomorrow is a special day. Santa will be going far away. He has the lists. He checks them twice. Good children will be in bed. Santa will have a big bag. He will have many toys, balls, games, cars, trains, jigsaws. Ho, ho, ho. Just to take a break here, guys, you can pause this anytime you like if I'm going too fast. You can even pause it, read the whole thing, and then come back and listen to me. It's up to you, okay? So continuing on. Santa has a bath. Splish, splosh, splish, splosh. He is nice and clean. Here comes Rudolph the reindeer. Santa and Rudolph are best friends. Santa has the red polish. Rudolph is happy. Now his red nose is shiny. Santa makes hot chocolate. Santa and Rudolph drink hot chocolate. They eat biscuits. Good night, Santa, says Rudolph. Rudolph goes to bed. Good night, Rudolph, says Santa. Okay, so there you have your comprehension. Now we can answer some questions to make sure we understood it. We have some blue words, some keywords here. Christmas, 3, children, Santa, 6, Rudolph, and hot chocolate. Number 1, why is Santa busy? Because blank is coming. Who will get the presents? Good blank will get the presents. Who, number 1, had a bath? Number 2, had his nose polished. So who had a bath and who had his nose polished? Number 4, how many jobs did Santa have? How many were there altogether? How many has he done? So how many ticks has he got? Number 5, what did Santa and Rudolph drink? They drank blank. Okay, so true and false. I'm going to let you guys read those yourself, and put an X if it's false. Santa hurt his foot. No, he didn't hurt his foot. Dancer, I think it was, hurt his foot, wasn't it? Yeah, Dancer hurt his foot. And tick if it's correct. Put an X in it if it's wrong, if it's false. Imagine, copy, and color. So you can draw a sled here, or sleigh, and you can draw a reindeer over here. So let's take a look at the next page then. And as I said, guys, get this done if you can. If you can't, take your time, do it another time. Language, Unit 10. Part A, write complete sentences. These ones are always a bit tricky because you have to kind of use your smarts and you've got to use your imagination with them. So for example, Rudolph, red nose. Rudolph has a red nose. And you'll all get different answers for this as well. Number 1, giraffe, neck, long. And you can jumble those up and write them in a different order. You can say, you could say a giraffe's neck is long. Or you could say long necks are on giraffes. But I suppose, yeah, you'll probably use it in the same order in this one. Giraffe, neck, long. A giraffe has a long neck. A giraffe has a long neck. So you could say word 1, word 2, or word 3, and then word 2. Teeth, big lion. Monkey, banana likes. Cat likes milk. Dog has bone. And write them as complete sentences. Part B, all about me. You've done these before as well. I have a, and then you can choose I saw a, and I ate a. So you choose whichever one you like for each one. Dog, monkey, horse. Banana, teddy, key. Bun, cat, fish, tree, lion, and sandwich. You can say I have a lion. Do you have a lion? Probably not. I saw a sandwich. Maybe you did. I ate a horse. I don't think I ate a horse, no. So let's take a look at part C, read and match. So read the sentences and match them up to the correct pictures and just write the number. Okay, so sentence number 1, Santa is reading his list in the bath. Okay, so which one is that? Number 1. You write the number 1 in there. So you take a look and you see Santa is reading his list in the bath here. So you just write down number 1. You don't have to write the sentence because that is sentence number 1. Number 2, Santa has the list on the table. Number 3, Santa has his hat on in the bath. And number 4, Santa is cold and wet. Okay, so fill in those ones with sentences 1, 2, 3, or 4. And best luck with those, guys. Take your time with them. You don't have to have them done today or even tomorrow. You can take your time with them and do them whenever you like. Okay, even if you don't get these done for a week, you can still just send them to me whenever you have them finished. So best of luck with them, guys. Slán agus gura maith.